Okay, well, the fact is that if you look at the biological and the biosimilar is a copy that has been made and has been compared to an originator molecule, and it's such that if we take into account the complexity of the production and of the characterization of a biological, the biosimilar has been demonstrated to be very similar to the originator molecule, but it's definitely not identical. We can always identify some differences. That does not mean that there is a problem with the biosimilar. If it's approved, then it's also a safe molecule, but we should be aware of the fact that there are some differences. Most important point is that when we try to implement the use of biosimilars, that we restrict the use of biosimilars to new patients that not have been treated yet with the biologics. The importance of the biosimilars is not with respect to new treatments, because it's actually a similar molecule as one that already exists, so it's applicable to the same type of patients. The main reasons why biosimilars may be important is that they can be introduced to a reduced cost, because the developmental costs are different, so that the overall healthcare costs may diminish, and that would be always very important. But it's also important that it's not the cost, merely the cost, that should determine the therapy. So that's also something we have to take into account. But for new patients, if you can start up with a cheaper molecule that is as effective, this may be. It's for me as a biotechnological expert, I think it's always important that the decision for the particular treatment remains fully under control of the physician.